This video shows how to replace a toner cartridge for the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 products. To begin, open the toner replacement door. To remove the toner cartridge, hold the handle and pull it out of the printer. Keep the cartridge level while removing it from the printer. Recycle the used cartridge or dispose of it as normal office waste.
Unbox the new toner cartridge.
Before installing the new toner cartridge, distribute the toner by gently tilting the cartridge approximately 10 times. Carefully align the cartridge with the printer. Push the cartridge in until it clicks. Then, close the toner replacement door.